Hi guys, it's Ronnie, and you guessed it, life is good today. And on this episode of Kiss the Cook, we're going to do some Guys Burgers. So, to make Guys Burgers at home, you take some 80-20 ground chuck. You know, that's the perfect mix. It gives you all those fats in there that gives it all that great flavor. You take and make you a 5-ounce ball. You say, why a ball? Well, you'll see. When you make that ball, it compacts that meat together, and then when you do this right here, take you some kind of object and flatten it out. You want to flatten it out to about, I don't know, about 1/3 of an inch thick, I guess, something to that nature. The key is getting it flattened out. Gives it more surface area when you put it in this hot pan. And get you a good crust on it. So we got our burgers all flattened out. Got us our pan getting hot on probably a medium high. Put your little salt in there. That way that salt seasons the one side of your pan or your burger. Now the key is put them in this hot pan and leave them there. That'll get that nice crust on it before you flip it 1-2 minutes. Now of course, the guy, he only uses salt and pepper, but I like to take a little house seasoning and sprinkle on mine. And this house seasoning is a mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Make sure you season them things real well. Make sure these things are flattened out. The way it creates that good crust on it. Now, if you ever watched any of my little videos on YouTube or whatever, you'll see that I think our very first stop when we get on the ship is a Guy's Burger joint. Eat us a Guy's Burger first day, and probably the second day, and the third day, and the fourth day for lunch. Nothing like it. Get these things flattened out. Check and see what these burgers are looking like. Sticking to the pan. Might have waited just a little bit longer, it would have released from the pan better. But as you can see, we've got a good crust going on that thing. How's them burgers looking, baby? They're not. All right, so we're going probably about a minute or so on this one side here. Start getting that good crust on that side also. Now it's time to throw on the cheese. Now, if you was on the big boat, they'll take and put a dollop of some kind of melted cheese on there, some kind of cheese spread, like a melted American, and then they put a big old slice of cheddar. We're just going to take some sliced cheddar here, and of course we always say cheddar makes it better. Now once you get that cheese on there, take your lid or something, put on there, And this right here is going to create a steam and allow that cheese to melt a whole lot better. This is how stuff's looking. Alright. Alright, it's melting. Gotta let it. Another thing you can do, you can spray some water in there or some chicken stock. That gets more moisture in there and allows it to steam a whole lot quicker. I'm just taking what moisture we got in these patties and letting that do the trick. Now, of course, we took and sliced some cheese off a block, so it's not quite as thin as some of this packaged sliced cheese you get. So, but either way, I think that looks awesome. That burger. Now, as you can see here, these got a heck of a lot better crust on them. This is, of course, the second batch, and you know the pan's a little hotter, but I wish y'all could smell this. This is the smell of heaven, I believe. Woo! Now, these, we're going to throw a little bit of American cheese on it. Throw the lid on there and let it steam away. Now, of course, it ain't going to be exactly like Guy's Burgers because you're not going to be on the big boat. You ain't going to have a drink in hand, or you might. I mean, I do. But these are some good burgers. Ain't no doubt about it. I'm going to put a link to Carnival's website where they've got the recipe at, and you'll be able to know exactly how to do it, because I may have skipped some steps or whatnot or embellished a little bit here and there, but you know, nothing hard about making these burgers. The key is getting it flat. And that way when you bite into it, I mean, it's just like they just melt in your mouth. If you ever had one, you know what I'm talking about. So, at the house, we've got our own little toppings bars, not quite as extensive as on the big boat. Tonight we're having mustard, chili, and onions. If you're from the South, you know what I'm talking about. We made a homemade chili out of some of the same 80-20 ground chuck, and it's awesome. Look at that ooey gooey cheese, man. Super melty cheese, as they call on the big boat. That stuff is looking fantastic. Ready to go on a nice toasted bun. Awesome, awesome. All right, so check out the burger. Don't that look beautiful? Let's try it out. I tell you what, if I didn't know any better, I think Guy Fieri made that burger for me. Awesome. Only thing better would be on the big boat with the drink in hand, hanging out with my beautiful wife. Couldn't ask for anything better. Woo! So, until next time, guess what, baby? We'll be seeing ya. Alright.